Ah, they are all waiting. Welcome, I want to take a video. I'm reaching out for my mobile.
She is worried who's flying the plane. Welcome to PI. We serve the world.
We serve the world.
Without the pilot. The pilot is serving the food inside of the cabin.
This is scary, huh?
Welcome to the video! Please subscribe! Thank you! Hi guys! We're going to Pakistan! Skibidi dom dom dom! Yes yes! Dom yes yes! Skibidi dom dom dom! Yes yes!
Guys, welcome sa aking channel. So, hinay-hinay lang ako guys kasi may mga katabi ako, nakakahiya, mag-agaw attention, mag-agaw pansin kasi pag naririnig nila yung hi guys, parang ganun, alam na nila may YouTube channel. So anyway guys, nasa aeroplano na pala kami ngayon. Punta kami ng Pakistan para mag-celebrate ng Eid at saka mag-vacation kami ng Amman doon ng mga bata kasi yung asawa ko 15 days lang siya. So iiwan na kami doon and then susunod na lang kami sa kanya. Pero sabay-sabay kami punta ng Pakistan.
She is worried who's flying the plane. Welcome to PI. We serve the world.
We serve the world.
Without the pilot. The pilot is serving the food inside of the cabin.
I really feel because of this.
Even the pilot? Yeah, he put the plane on autopilot and he started, it's okay. What is the problem?
Wala, honestly, honestly.
Yeah, it was a pilot, yeah. You saw the other guy, na? See, the other guy does not have the same. Huh?
The other guy is a co-pilot.
Yeah.
This is scary, huh?
This is a
Sila guys yung nagsaserve ng pagkain.
He just came out to check with the people if the service okay is right, if they are satisfied with the service or everything is okay.
No, but I thought that guy is a pilot.
No, this is not co-pilot. He is serving the...
You're joking me.
I'm not joking. He's just serving the tea and he's asking people the comments. That guy is the pilot, see?
The one who gave us food?
Yeah, just, yeah, there is. He will change the gas.
I cannot.
That's a co-pilot. Yeah, why you
Ayun, oh. No, I think that's just their uniform, Shabas, but they all look like a pilot.
Did you see him before? No, he was not there.
I like the uniform of PIA. They look like a pilot.
The other guy with the beard is a flight engineer.
Yeah, they all look like
the pilot. Yes.
Yeah, and he's the one who serves us food. I don't know. Honestly. This is so scary. Nobody's flying the plane, the pilot is serving the food.
The plane is going on autopilot.
You are so serious.
Yeah, they just put the coordinates and fly, keep flying.
They just put Doha to Islamabad. Yes. Autopilot.
Yes, the only thing pilot do is take off and landing. That's all.
Acha, really?
In between the environment, and you will see this is the guy who is
who is?
Co-pilot.
Is a co-pilot. They will see this vlog and they will tell you why you're telling that we are pilot and co-pilot.
I'm telling you that PIA is the best airline in the world.
Really?
We serve on the plane like this, like a waiter.
While flying the plane.
This is our level of internet. very committed people.
Committed.
Even our pilot and co-pilot and flight team, they're all in the cabin right now.
Really?
Able to make sure that
Then who's looking out for the birds or something? Who's flying the plane? What if there are some birds and
Allah.
the pilot and Allah? Ay, Allah so fast. Honestly.
Allah, you can ask anyone here. They will tell you that this guy is a pilot. There is no pilot in the plane.
Hindi kasi yung uniform nila guys, mukhang pilot. Mukhang pilot sila sa uniform nila. Sila yung mga nagsaserve ng pagkain. Kaya sabi ko sa asawa ko, is he the pilot? Why he's serving us food? So sino pala yung nagpapalipat ng eroplano? Na-shock ako doon guys. Ayan kasi daw yung air hostess nila or yung kanilang flight attendant. Tapos yung doon yung nagsiserve ng pagkain namin, yung mga lalaki nila. Naka-uniform ng ganyan. Musa, finish your food!
Finish your food.
Si Isa naman tulog. Ayun, yun yung air hostess nila. Pinamassage niya yung paa ng anak niya. Good morning, Isa! Malapit na kami lumapag, guys. Actually, 4 hours yung flight namin from Qatar to Pakistan. Yan, lumapag na. So, nandito na kami, guys. Kumukha lang kami ng aming mga bagahe. Nakatulog na si Musa, kakaantay. Isa! So, ayan guys, nandito na kami sa sasakyan kasi magbabiyahe ulit kami ng 2 oras from Islamabad to Eptebad. Ang layo pa guys ng bahay namin. Sabi guys, sobrang init dito sa Islamabad. Tingnan nyo naman, pawis na pawis ako. Pawis na pawis ko yung mga bata. Yung asawa ko, yung ano pala, yung kapatid pala ng asawa ko yung sumundo sa amin. So, ando dun sila, nag-aayos sila ng bagahe dyan. So yun guys, magta-travel pa kami ng 2 hours pa. Anong oras na ba ngayon? Alas 8 na kasi ang ano kasi 4 hours kasi yung flight from Doha to Islamabad. So umalis kami ng mga 1:30 yata ganon. Tapos syempre 1:30 4 hours. So 2:30, 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, which is pagdating dito 2 hours ahead kasi yung Pakistan sa Doha, kaya yun mga 7, ewan ko, mga 6:30 na yata yun. Tapos syempre nag-antay pa kami ng ano, ng nagkuha pa kami ng bagahe namin. Ang tagal, ewan ko, parang hiniwa-hiwalay nila yung bagahe namin. Antay kami ng antay, kaya yun. Tapos magbabiyahe ulit ng 2 oras.
Guys, I made in Pakistan.
You are made in Pakistan. I am in Pakistan. Hi guys, I'm in Pakistan.
Hi guys, I'm in Pakistan.
Are you okay, Musa? Musa is not feeling well because he vomited. Nahilo si Musa sa biyahe, guys. Stop! Ew! We have to throw it. Are you still gonna vomit more? Ew, no! Isa, no! This is dangerous! So, nandito na kami sa Eptebad, guys. After 2 hours. kasi ngayon dito sa Pakistan yung presyo niya.
मतलब मैंने नहीं बोला मुझे बड़ा जो बात कह रहे मैंने क्या कहते बड़े बोले अभी जगह बड़े बोले का मैकेनिक बुलाया और उसने कहा जी इंसान गाड़ी के खत्म हो जाते हैं कहता ये पूछने को आप आवाज बड़े बोले अबू की गाड़ी किधर है
They are all waiting.
ये गाड़ी है मैं बोला मना कितना लेकिन गाड़ी मैं अबू थोड़ी सी गाड़ी स्टार्ट दूं कि बेटा उधर जाओ
So hanggang dito na muna itong vlog na to and update ko kayo. Inshallah bukas makapag-vlog ulit ako, then update ko kayo guys. So thank you so much everyone for watching and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!
बेटा माशाल्लाह बड़ा हो गया माँ बढ़ाना वेट कम है ना स्टे हियर वी वेलकम यू बेटा मुझे बातें मार रही थी पापा पापा पापा
Thank you so much, mashallah. This one, okay?
Sorry? Okay.
Mashallah, देखो तो welcome. I want to take a video. I'm reaching out to my mobile.
जो कल इस्लाम की है अंदर पेंट होने वाला रहता हो यार
बारिश लगी है पुत्र जरा जी मौसम अच्छा हो गया है
माँ क्या लम्हा समझ माँ
ठीक है पुत्र शुक्र है
ये तो अंदर पूरा पेंट होने वाला था माँ जी करके लेकिन देखा तुम्हारे पे
अच्छा माशाल्लाह